Next is international place value system. In international place value system, each period has 3 places. Each period has 3 places. For example, each period has 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3. Then how to read this? This is in ones period. This is in thousands period, and this is in millions period. Ones period, thousands period, and millions period. Then how to read this number? In millions period, which number is here? Yes, 234. Therefore, we read it as 234 million 234 million. Next, 589,000. 589,324. 324. Okay, in international place value system, this number read it as 234 million 589,324. Next example, second example. Then how to use commas? 1, 2, 3. Next is 3. 1, 2, 3. Here also 2 places. Okay, then how to read? In millions period, which number? Yes, 23. Therefore, we read it as 23 million 549,000. Yes. 549,627. 627. Okay. So, today we discuss about some uses of numbers, then comparison of numbers, then formation of numbers using given digits, and expansion of numbers, Indian place value system, and international place value system. Okay, we discuss about Roman numerals. Do you know Roman numerals? Yes. In our 4th, 5th standard, we learned it. Okay. Here we just recall. In which type of numbers are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. These numbers are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals. These numbers are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. In this 1 is equal to 1, V, symbol V denoted as V is 5. These types of numbers are called Roman numerals. Then today we just discuss about some properties of Roman numerals. This is 1, this is 5, and X denoted as 10, L is 50, C is equal to 100. C is denoted as in Roman numerals C. C is denoted as 100, D is in 500, M is 1000. Okay. In this, a symbol, if a symbol is repeated, if a symbol is repeated, what are some properties of Roman numerals? Some properties. First one, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. If a symbol is repeated, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as occurs. This is the first property. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as occurs. What is the meaning? Check an example. What is this? In Roman numeral, this is 1. Then what is this? Another 1. Here, this 1 is how many times here occurs? Yes, 2 times. Therefore, its value is 2. Okay. Next, 1, 2. Here, how many times this repeated? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, its value is 3. Okay. Next, what is this is x is equal to 10. Therefore, here x equal to 10. Here x is 2 times repeated. Therefore, the value of this x is equal to, yes, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Next is 3 times. How many times here? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Okay. Clear? First property is clear? Okay, good. Next is second property. Second property. A symbol is repeated more than, not repeated more than 3 times. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but a symbol is not repeated. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. This is the second property. Next, another, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. It's repeated only 3 times. Okay. Not more than, repeated is not repeated more than 3 times. Not repeated more than 3 times. Next, but the symbols V, L and D are never repeated. The symbols V, L and D are never repeated. V, L and D. What is the value of V? V is equal to 5, L is equal to 50 and D is equal to 500. Okay. Symbols of 5, 50 and 500 are never repeated. That is V, L and D are never repeated. Fourth property, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value. If a symbol of smaller value is, for example, if a symbol of smaller value, this is the symbol of 1. Okay, here what are the symbols? V and I. V is written as 5 and here I is 1 is the smaller value and 5 is the greatest value. Then if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a greater value, here here 5 is the greater value and 1 is the smaller value. This is 1 is right to 5. Therefore, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. That's equal to, here v is equal to 5 and this is equal to 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Therefore, value of this is equal to 6. Next, what is the value of this one? Here which one is the greatest value? Yes, 5 is the greatest value plus 1. Plus 1. That's equal to 7. Okay. Clear? Here which is the greatest value? Yes, x is the greatest value. That is 10 plus here which is the greatest value? V. That's equal to 15. Okay. Next, what is the value of L? Here which is the greatest value? Yes, L is the greatest value. L is equal to 50. 50 plus what is x? X is equal to 10. Therefore, this value of this is equal to 60. Lx equal to 60. Next, another property. Here, which one is the greatest value? Yes, v is the greatest value and 1 is the smallest value. Here 1 is left to 5. Therefore, these types of we write as subtraction. That is, greatest value is 5. Here 1 is the left side. Therefore, we subtract 1 from 5. Therefore, 5 minus 1. Value of this equal to 4. Next, x, L. Here which one is the greatest value? L. L is equal to 50. 50 is in right side and x is in left side. X is smallest is in left side. In our last property, x if x is in right side, we just add it. Here x is in left side. Therefore, we subtract it. That is 50 minus 10. That's equal to 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Clear? Okay. Here today we discuss about Roman numerals and its properties. Okay. Thank you.